Okay, so these glass effect tricks are trending, and almost every graphic designer out there is using it in their design workflow, which makes their design look more premium, expensive, and very classic. If you take a look at the designs I have on my screen, you are going to appreciate that the designers who created these flyers implemented these glass effect tricks in their design workflow. And so in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to design these glass effects in Adobe Photoshop. If today is your first time on my channel, click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon. Now let's get into the video. So you're going to start with this very first one right here. The first thing you're going to do is to create a new document, right? And then we are going to use 10 by 10, right? Okay, so 10 by 10, click on create. Good. Now I'm going to create a new layer like this. Now select your gradient tool right here, right? And then make sure that your colors, you are using the black for the left side, all black, and then all white for the right side, right? Then I'm going to select my layer and then drag my cursor through like this to create these effects. And this is what you are going to do. I'm going to adjust it like this, right? Click on this guy right here. Okay, click on this guy, and then on my keyboard I'm going to press the Alt key and hold and then drag it forward to create a duplicate. And I'm going to select all the two, hold my Alt key, drag it forward to create a duplicate. Now I'm going to select all the four and then hold my Alt key, or you can also use the Ctrl+J if you want, right? And then drag it forward to create a duplicate. Now let's select everything here, and then let's use the Ctrl+J, right? Drag it forward like this, and I'm going to select everything, Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, then we drag it forward like this. Good, this is awesome. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to save this particular work that we have done. So head over to your file, click on save as, and then I'm going to add it to this folder. So I'm going to call this glass texture effects, right? Then I'm going to click on save. Awesome. All right, now the next thing I'm going to do is to drag and drop my first image, which is this one, right? So I'm going to put it right here. Good. I can go ahead and then close this one. Awesome. I'm going to click on this padlock to unlock it. Then I'm going to crop it, right? Like this. Click on this guy. Good. Now right click on your image and then click on convert to smart object. All right, now head over to your filter tab and then click on the filter gallery. Now you're going to see so many options here. Artistic, we have brush strokes, we have distort, we have sketch, stylize, and then texture, right? But then in this video, in this particular video, we are going to use the distort. So under the distort, we have three options. We have diffuse glow, we have glass, and then ocean ripple. Now for this particular trick that we are doing, we are going to make use of the glass effects here. So select the glass option and then come here, right in front of the texture, we have canvas, and then we have this small icon also here. So click on that icon and I click on load texture, and then we are going to add the glass texture effect that we did earlier on. Then I'm going to click on open. Good. Now I'm going to increase the distortion. Okay, so this is okay for me, and then you can also increase the smoothness and then the scaling, right? The scaling has to do with the spacing, right? So if you want big spaces between them, you just have to increase it. If you want to keep it this way, you decrease it. Right now you can go ahead and then adjust the panels here according to how you want the effect to be, and then you go ahead and then click on OK. All right, now let's move on to the second trick. So head over to your folder, right, and then drag and drop this background image also to this side. Awesome. Now let's get rid of this one because we are done. No. Okay. Now right click on it and then click on convert to smart objects. Head over to the filter tab and then click on filter gallery. Okay, now this time around, this is what we are going to do. You are going to select the ocean repo under the distort. So select the ocean repo and then you are going to increase the repo size to 4, and then the repo magnitude, I'm going to push it all the way to, let's say, 15. Right, for the sake of this tutorial we are using the 15 for the repo magnitude and then 4 for the repo size. And just like that, our background is looking very artistic and expensive, right? So that is the second trick or the second glass effect. Now after you are done, go ahead and then click on OK to save it, right? Awesome. Now let's move on to our third glass effect trick, which is also the last one. So I'm going to drag and drop this one as well. Get rid of this one. No. All right, I'm going to right click on it and then convert it to smart objects. Head over to the filter and then click on filter gallery. Let me zoom out like this. Now under the same distorts, right, I'm going to select the glass for this one, and then I'm going to increase the distribution here to 13, and then the smoothness I'm going to keep it at 2, and then right here, right where we have texture, I'm going to click on the drop down arrow and then I'm going to select the blocks here, right, and I'm going to increase the scaling to 99%, and there we have our last glass effect looking very beautiful. Then I'll go ahead and then click on OK. All right, so from today onwards, try implementing these glass effects in your design workflow. Now I am also going to try and then apply these glass effects in my subsequent or in my upcoming videos, so make sure to check out for those videos. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell icon, like this video, and then until I come your way with another Photoshop tutorial, I'm out.